Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to have us a little bit of an international tasty finds. Haribo. We have, well, this looks like it's strawberry primavera. And what do you have?
This is Smurf flavored Haribo gummies.
All right, Smurfs.
Flavored.
La 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 la. Smurf flavored.
I know.
From the 90s. They were so cute. Oh, you know, on NPR, true fact, on NPR, they were talking about cartoons from the 90s, well, you know, 80s, 90s, and they had the Smurf cartoon. And I kid you not, a bunch of parents complained to their pediatricians because the kids who ate the Smurf cereal, their elimination was blue. Get it? Too much dye, man. Too much dye in that cereal, and the kids had blue poop. So, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up.
You put a warning before this. While you watch this video, make sure you're not eating it.
Yeah, that's true. All right, so anyway, Haribo is something that we see this. They sell it in Dollar Tree, right?
Yeah.
In the 99-cent store, and there's a lot of World Markets. You know, World Market, my favorite place, and then there's my favorite place down in Ohio. I'm gonna keep it. This is a secret, but there's this place that I really love to go to.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today,
I'll put it in the description down below.
No, that's gonna be my secret.
It's
because
not your secret.
More people know about it. It's gonna be crowded, and it's gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be
You don't even
chaotic.
go there.
I do.
No.
When I go there.
Anyway,
Yeah.
when was the last time you were there? Oh
Cut
my
it
gosh.
out.
I am not cutting it out. I'm not.
Anyway, Aunt Becky, how you doing?
What?
Sorry. People who know what I'm talking about will get it. Anyway, we're gonna try these.
Cut that out.
Oh. All right, so we're gonna try this first one, all right? So we're going to get this a try. I need some scissors.
I could open this without scissors. Just watch.
Go ahead.
Watch.
Give it a taste here. These are German. I believe this is from Germany. Yeah. Tastes like strawberry. You know the thing about Haribo, they make those gummy bears, right? I think this happened before you were born. It was a long time ago. People who ate the gummy bears from Haribo, the sugar-free one, they were all having explosive diarrhea.
Wow, no, the theme of this episode.
I'm sorry, I'm being honest. It was because what they used as the sugar substitute. It's true. Look it up. Google it.
But this is a tasty find.
Google
It's supposed
is
to be
your
tasty.
friend.
People can watch this while eating food and not want to throw up. Dang.
Okay. You've already, what, that's your third, your fourth? Holy moly. All right, that's your fifth? Okay. On the scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning I'm giving this a hard pass. 4 meaning if I see it, I will buy it again for my personal consumption. I will give it, honest, I will give this a hard 1.
Oh! Oh, heck no! I'm taking this. These are mine.
You're welcome.
Yeah, these are great. I can eat this whole bag right now.
You know you're not.
I know.
I'm going to tell you why. When the dynamic diva was younger, she really got a kick out of eating Peeps. These taste like strawberry Peeps to me. And at where I am now, I don't like Peeps. Because Peeps taste like I'm just ingesting pure sugar. Pure sugar with some flavoring. So that's me. That's my personal thing. So I said,
This
hey,
is different. This
I'll
is
give it a
tougher
1.
than a marshmallow.
All right, then you give yours. What do you think?
It's a sweet and slightly sour strawberry marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
It's tougher than actual marshmallow. Like if you were to compress a marshmallow.
Right. That's true.
These are really good. I give these a 4. I highly recommend it.
He highly recommends it. He gives it a 4. I give it a 1. I'm telling you, it doesn't taste bad, but if I'm gonna go buy it for myself, I probably won't buy it for myself. But if I was gonna get something for my my boy here, I'll probably pick it up for him. Right? Oh, wait a minute, you got your own money. You could buy it for himself, right? Okay, here we go. Let's try the
Smurf flavored gummies.
Smurf flavored? Wait a minute, I think I was just humming the Jeopardy song. Oh, how cute. Oh, wait, first look at this. That's what it looks like.
Oh yeah.
It looks like a bonbon.
Here, I'll eat it.
Be my guest, be my guest. Okay, now we're gonna look at some Smurfs. When I was young, man, the Smurfs. What was the girl's Smurf's name?
Whatchamacallit.
Call back. All right, look at these. Aren't they cute? They're little Smurf, red, white, and blue.
Oh, look, a Smurf.
Oh, and that one's yellow. Okay, you ready to try these?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna bite off, I don't know, one of the Smurf heads. Okay.
Tastes like a Smurf.
Oh, what? Between my poop talk and your cannibal talk, well, I don't know, are Smurfs people? Are Smurf people?
Mm-mm.
I know they're a figment of somebody's imagination.
They're animals that
probably
are hunted by the government.
Mm-hmm.
They have bounties on their head.
Mm. I'm worried about this one. All right, I had one. On a scale of 1 to 4, I'll give this a 4. These are I love gummies. This is the perfect gummy because it's not sticky like it's sticking in my teeth. It's very nice. Good taste. What do you think?
I'd give it a 3.
You give it a 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do tell.
It tastes like a normal gummy, right?
Mm-hmm.
A fruit flavored gummy.
Mm-hmm.
Mainly it's the consistency. It's the consistency of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's not really chewy.
Mm-hmm.
And actually breaks apart.
Mm-hmm. There you go. And?
Which makes it a 3.
Oh, you like it all chewy. You like it all gummy, right? Just sticking in your teeth. Anyway, you give it a 3. I give it a 4. So I think this is a winner for both of us.
And I gave this a 5.
He gave this a 5. I gave it a
I just need
1.
another taste of it.
All right. Well, I like to see that he really likes this, and this is really good. So, want to say thank you. Whew, man, I look tired. Anyway, okay. So on that note, I hope you have a good one. Stay safe out there, and until next time.